Making tin for today's job. Usually I do that night before, but I was tired last night, which is rare. And we're making tin for today. Taking out 117,000 BTU, 80%, and putting in a 90. We got a 3-ton air out in the yard, 2-inch plastic pad, Space Guard air cleaner the homeowner wants to keep. That fitting is made on the bench. Just got to put it together, and then I'm putting a 4-inch base under it so we can utilize the whole 20-inch air filter here. Change out, taking on 117,000 BTU, putting in a 90, putting a base underneath it, keeping the air cleaner. New furnace is a little bit shorter. We're just making a new plenum from there up to there. Didn't like the humidifier running through this space in our walkway here. That was right there. So we're going to flip that humidifier over and take it up around through there so it's not in the walkway here. That's that. We're using that air cleaner. Everything's so clean in this house. I can't believe it. Perfectly painted. You're afraid to even touch anything. That's the job. Putting a 4-inch base under there so we utilize this hole, because right now the top 4 inches of this is above the blower compartment, and this has got a cracked heat exchanger apparently. We'll get our eyes on that in a minute. Got the furnace out, checking the coil, looks spotless, perfect. It's funny, this we come downstairs, there was some smoke in the air, and it ended up coming out of this switch here. So we may have saved the house from burning down just by being here to find the breaker and shut that off. Corey's getting ready to put this base on over here. Take this bottom out. Get that base on, and we'll cut our hole for the air cleaner and slide her in there. Sheet metal done before noon. It's always a good day. What time is it?
11:53.
Got the humidifier spun around, and everything's screwed together. We're in Maplewood, so we got to use this goofy tape that doesn't stick very good with the red writing on it. So shame on you, Maplewood. Well, we're working on it. We gotta spin this gas. We gotta take that nipple out and bring the gas around to the proper side. We always go in the left if we can. That green field is going to stretch right down. More back. Yeah, somewhere in there.